KAZANA. New working codes. Secret style. Update 2026. 2026, the new secret style is here. This is a angel style. Actual angel style. I'll be showing you every single working code. Don't miss out on any future codes. Sub up. There's a 2x secret pity winning machine. Weekend, I mean. Open up your settings, shop, and redeem these new codigos. Let's see what kind of new codes they have. Update 26, right? Update 26. Volleyball skis. New volleyball update. If you have 0 Robux, comment heart emoji. You can comment a heart emoji if you have 0 Robux. Do not comment first. Update 26. Oh, I forgot to put a underscore. Update underscore 26. Boom. Free lucky spins. New underscore style. New underscore style. Kazan underscore coming. Kazan coming. New secret style. Shouting man fire emoji. The next code is spins. Spins. 25 lucky. Wait, 25 style spins. That is a lot. Bonus underscore yen. Bonus underscore yen. Let's go. Free yen. Bonus underscore shells. Can we get some free shells? 500 molten shells. We get 500 molten shells. What can we do with the molten shells? Let's open these crates. Come on. 1%. At least give me the skeleton. No, they gave me the pink summer hat. Can we get anything else? Anything else? Okay, give me the Cairo flare score effect. Wait, we are printing money. Like, how am I winning more shells? Summer hat. Okay, we get a Luffy hat. Luffy hat. And we get a live buddy ball. We don't have any more shells. And these are all the codes. Don't forget to like and sub up for future videos.